Hmm. Your lights are going.
What, ready?
No, on the EMF.
Yeah, there is. Calling them in now.
Yeah, you stupid boy.
Calling them in now is what I'm doing. Come into the circle for me, come closer. Come closer into the circle for me, the forefront's going down.
Has anyone gone upstairs now?
Yeah, I think.
Yeah, you said told there's obviously the rooms up there.
Some rooms are not safe to go in.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Can you just retell them this is okay? I don't want to see legs hanging from the ceiling.
Oh.
Yeah.
Hello? 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 They're going outstairs.
They what?
I don't know, they're out.
Outside?
Oh.
So what exactly? Thick trousers on, have you? That's what I said, we'd be prepared for the tunnels, but we weren't prepared for this cold year. Yeah, she put them.
On the phone, you're okay. Can't we just move on? Life's too short, and I ignored her.
Yeah.
Then she got a
No, I wasn't joking. This is how I throw the energy around this. You'll be able to feel them. I'll ask them to touch you, move your arms and your legs, move your clothes, move your ears. You have to be very alert, alright? That's why I put you next to me, because I know you want to see something. Good timing.
Oh yeah, I'll do this.
Don't stand next to me, that's you can pump the energy. We need you on the outside.
She's
Getting there.
getting there.
I've got a pencil in my pocket which I had a bit as well. I've got that.
Got what?
Someone was upstairs and I went upstairs after him.
I bought mine to my pocket.
Right.
Just a simple basic Christian.
Who else is coming? You coming in for or not?
Yeah.
Better separate you two.
Sorry. Anybody with a gift is only have one and that one goes strong.
4 minutes.
And when you imagine the big white light above your head, I'm going to put a little bit of protection before we start to make sure everybody's safe, okay? So want you to imagine a big white light above your head. Make it really big and bright white light right above your head. And slowly let it come down over you into your heart. I want to see that heart going bright white, then pass that white light down your left side, down your left arm into the person next to you. So as you receive it on your right, send it over to the left and keep just passing that energy around. Brilliant, that's perfect. That should be enough. Good, well done, people. Spirit, can you come to the circle for me? Can you walk amongst us, please? Touch us. Block those, block hair gently. Faces, manipulate our bodies. This one's a talker.
I've got a bad back.
Use your voice for me, darling. Louder. Make it loud so everybody can hear you.
Somebody else, please.
Move around the circle for me, please. Can you touch someone else, please? Not me.
Yeah.
Don't touch me, sweetheart. Go to the next one.
Imitating Karen.
Can you lift anybody's arm first for me? Can you lift an arm? Pick someone, lift their arm for me. High as you can. Use the energy from around the circle. Yeah, okay. Okay, do that then. Use your voice for us. I just hear you.
I just want to do a little bit backwards. Eh?
Come in.
I feel a tingle in my finger.
Yeah, they are with us. They're just quite through the circle, looking around, looking at us. Touch us, talk to us, use your voice. Use your feet. Can you stand in the circle for us? Make us all jump. You can see the silver cone in the middle. Can you do something for that for me? Can you ting it? Ting it?
No. Yeah, probably is.
Just where the candles on it, showing on the side.
I've just got a really banging headache.
You will have, it's the energy in it. I'm sorry, that's me just pumping it out. I'll calm it down a bit. Is that better? Is it better? Is that better?
No, it's still there.
It will be still there. I can't be moving because otherwise I'll shut the circle. Come on, I can feel you and see you. Come on, you do. Stop again. Come and touch us. Let the people know you're with them. Pull at their clothes, stroke their faces. Get off my leg, sorry. Come on, walk around the circle for us. Can you give us a noise where you are? Yes, I've got that. You're going to make me sick. Oh. Go around the circle and do it to someone else now, please. Can you lift somebody's arm up? I know you're dying to do that, no. Go on then, lift someone's arms up. I'm not going to get it really tired. See if you can lift someone's arm for me. Lift it up as high as you can. Draw on the energy from around the circle. Also stood in the white circle, I would gently need to come in a little bit. Is that better? Sorry. Thank you. That's okay. Walk amongst us then. Can you feel that on your left hand? Right hand. This one here. Can you feel it like a cobwebs on the back of your hand? Tingling.
I feel my fingers are tingling.
Yeah. Well done, thank you. Can you touch his face for me?
Has anyone got a phone on?
No.
I'm picking up a phone.
I've got the phone switched on. Yours is switched on as well, isn't it? Mine's switched on.
I think it's Lucy again from over there.
Lucy? Yeah, that's what I'm picking up from. Is that off?
No, it's on.
That's lighting up there.
Yeah, it's Lucy. I asked her to go near it if it was Lucy from over there. She's followed us over here. Hello, sweetheart. Can you walk amongst us? Thank you so much. Walk around a circle for us. Let each person know you're with them. Touch them. Talk to them. Make a noise with your voice. Walk around, my darling. She's only a youngster, this one, isn't she?
She's only 18.
I can feel it. She needs a lot. You might get a worse headache. Thank you for that. Take it off now. Thank you. Can you go to the cone or the lights and light him up for us? Move the cone. She needs so much. Okay, who are you? Someone else has joined us. Come into the circle for me. That is cold. He's bringing it a lot cold, this one. Come into the circle for us. Walk around us. Walk amongst us. So cross. Can you shout? Use your voice and shout for me. Try really hard. Your voices can hear that. Can you do it louder for me, please? Your voices can hear that. Your voices can hear that. Can you do it louder for me, please, so other people can hear with their ears? Do it louder for me. Use your voice louder. Come nearer. Just go through, that's it. Walk amongst us. Thank you. Now you just shout louder for me. Hear that. Everybody else hearing that? You're not hearing it? Use my energy, sweetie. Come and start with me. Okay, now try and use your voice again. But shout really loud so all the ears can hear you. Did you get it?
You alright?
You hear it now?
Where you been? No, it's just because you go too fast. You need to slow down. Or tell us where you went.
That's again. Yeah, well, don't talk over each other because I can't hear both of your words.
That's because we use it as lights because you go too fast.
Come closer, my love. Walk around us. Cool and cold. Freezing is down here.
Did you shut the door when you came in?
Yeah.
Well, it's wide, bloody open.
Is it?
Yeah.
Yeah, he hasn't even given me his name this year. Paul, would you like a stroke? That sounds so wrong. I said it and realised what I'd said.
At least you don't get accused of doing things like, oi!
Oh, that was so funny. They're walking this route to find out.
I've got to get out of here in a minute. My head is going
Yeah, but can you hear something like whispering?
Yeah, but I can hear
Don't sing, it's there. It's some whispering.
like a child, isn't it?
I can't make it out.
It's going, or something like that, isn't it?
Yeah, it's something very quiet.
Yeah.
Paul said, oh, you're waking me.
But my Richard,
He goes to where are you at? Giving me a back.
Richard.
Oh, but what? We don't usually get them to move our arms, can't we, our legs? Yeah. But that's the months we're used to. These are a little bit plain ball, but not quite plain ball, if you know what I mean. You get in touch, aren't you?
I was trying to check where the candle was. I don't think it's touched yet.
Your face has? So straight in your face, yeah. Bit like a cold, whispery breeze.
Oh, cold moving.
Yeah, no, it wasn't even as strong as that, it was just like a breeze. Soft breeze.
You get some pressure on my face.
Push?
Yeah.
I can't guarantee how hard. Bear in mind you can't get pushed over. Can't you, Jane?
Depends on how much energy spirit have got.
The bloke's quite good, but she's not so strong. The other chap's not saying much, he's just like looking at us all really odd.
Yeah, thinking what a stupid bunch of people.
It's one of those where it goes right up to your face and does that.
Yeah.
Don't like ones. Get off me. It's a fascination with that, I don't understand.
If there's anyone here with us, and you'd like to speak to us, can you make a noise? Let us know that you're here. Try and bang something. If you do it in a form, please try and do two. Actually, thank you. Could you try and come into this room with us, please? See if you can make a loud noise on one of these guns.
He's showing you that big one, excuse me. Oh dear! Look at be quiet. You see that great big thing, isn't it? Yeah. Careful, because you might be able to if he's using your voice box. Yeah, I'm trying that here, by the way. 3 times I've been trying, I've just ignored it.
Somebody take a picture then?
Yeah.
Was it?
Yeah.
What a scene all Come on then, walk around us again. Give us some
Again?
touches. Not me. That was funny.
So loud.
And the other one was fire in the hole, wasn't it? Fire in the hole. Was that that?
That's a torpedo when you fire one.
What's fire in the hole?
That's when you're going to fire.
Sorry. Oh. That was me.
What was it?
My tape.
Your tape. Was there ground to wear something like that?
That's when you fire.
Shoot in the air. Did they shoot planes?
They say that. They say that when they fire the guns, don't they?
Yeah, but fire one is torpedoes. Or
Yeah, torpedo.
No, I can see a big gun and there's 2 chaps sat in it. Excuse me.
That's what my son used to do.
Yeah, they're sat in it and it's huge.
it's one of them one's got a big one.
He's wanting to come in.
I haven't actually seen this guy, they showed me it.
One's a big one.
Have you come in?
You see it?
That's what Stevens goes to when you fire that down. Fire in the hole.
Oh, I got fire in the hole.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Richard,
the lights
go in that room.
what we're
Shooting
saying.
blanks or shooting live?
Go in that room, walk in that room and tell me what you feel. Go on.
Step there, is it?
That's why I'm getting this wall, because I can hear loads of, you hear what she's shouting coming through.
No, can't feel it now. That's fucking weird.
Yeah.
I walked in there and felt like the heating was on.
It does feel warmer than it does out there.
Yeah, but it felt like, you know how we walked in the museum, that heat?
Yeah.
That's what I felt.
Yeah, there's no it does feel warmer in here. than
Yeah,
it
but
does out
it
there.
hit me and it was really hot.
Yeah. I say it does feel warmer.
It's here now, you've got gloves on, you can't feel that.
It was really warm though. I walked in there and I thought, Christ, someone's got the heating on.
Just the same as that holding.
And it's getting cold
Yeah.
now again.
Yeah, it's probably
What?
something over there or
Where? There.
over here somewhere.
What was it?
Something through there.
What was it sound like?
What's that? Sounds like a tapping noise.
Oh, that might be me with this up.
Oh, it might have been. I thought.
I usually have it like that.
Yeah. I don't know.
It felt really warm when I walked in. It's gone cold again now.
Yeah.
Well, that's strange.
Well, I didn't. I thought it was.
Well, I've just walked.
I thought it was.
Well, I've just walked in that room,
Yeah.
in there,
Yeah.
before I told Richard to go in there, and it felt like, you know, over the museum, you walked in that room where it's warm,
Yeah.
in there, it felt really hot, and it's just cooled down now.
There's still
The
bit
lights
watching
just
us.
flashed.
Yeah, the lights keep going as well. Do you want to come out of that room and join the circle?
My neck.
Oh, sorry, darling, that's what we've asked them to do. Be gentle with your touching, please, but carry on touching people. So, did you hear that?
They went again. Yeah.
The lights are grabbing it, but I heard a fake woman whimper almost.
Funny smell.
No, I've taken that off.
Yeah, very high pitched.
I've taken this off.
Like,
that.
right,
It's
panicking,
bang.
isn't it?
Go in there and there's plenty
Yeah,
of
she's
light.
trying to tell me
Go
about
in
fire.
there, all right. Stay in this room.
Have you got snorkels on?
Gotta get
Where's
out
the
of
fire? Where's the fire?
They're really flashing.
Yeah, she's trying, she's
Got a snorkel.
panicked.
Yeah,
There's a
I can hear
fire.
that,
She's telling
yeah.
us.
No
Did you die in fire, sweetheart?
Jesus, that hurts.
You seem to be outside of it to me.
Beep, beep. And it goes round. Beep. Can't see people.
No, you can see bubbles.
No,
I can see bubbles.
I need something.
You're in a sub. If you go play,
No,
press go down and
Oh,
that's
that's
one.
Yeah.
Sub.
How many lost their lives there?
Echo, Richard, it's gone.
Go on.
My headache is completely gone.
Do that.
Just went out there.
Yeah, and it went when I was out there. I'll go in there. It's fucking banging.
No, it's so hard. It needs a lot of energy to use your voice. But please help yourself to one once you go around the
I feel a
circle.
bit heavy across
If
the
you just use your voice a little bit louder.
Right here. It's here.
Well, no, because I've got special ears, that's why I can hear you. People with other
Relief.
can hear you too.
I'll go back in there and
Use
see if it
your
comes
mouth,
back.
voice.
Hey?
So you're all like.
Yeah.
She's in a boat with some
She's in a
reason.
sub. Yeah. You're
Young
firing.
lads with her.
Yeah, you're firing.
It's an English one.
She's firing.
Sorry, Paul?
It's an English one.
Yeah, it's not a U-boat, is it? We're saying it's not a U-boat, man. Is she safe? Keep her safe, thank you. Right, this tall chap is coming with his bloody gun there.
Lights.
The explosion of Tuesday showed me now. Was it a bomb come down?
Is it explosion?
No. It's a big bang now. Let me try and get what it was, hold on. Is it any blow what exploded? Show me.
Does it look like an explosion or just lights? What, the sun?
Did you hear that?
Zoom, 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 zoom,
Yeah.
zoom.
That from behind.
Lights
Yeah.
getting
Yeah.
too fast.
Good. That's what we're asking him to do though.
Can I just try something?
Please do.
I want to see something.
Should have come in.
She's on the wall.
You're on the water.
Well, them lights are lighting up again. I want to try something. I'll ask a question here.
Yeah.
See if, where is it? There you go.
How was she going to water with what though?
Are you the one that's giving me the headache?
Can you hear that? That's people.
That's why she wanted periscope.
If you're the one that's giving me the headache, can you light the lights up on that meter?
That's Gerald that's doing that with you.
Oh, shit.
Standing behind you. Get off my neck, please.
Gerard, is that?
Huh?
Gerard, light them lights up.
Gerald, can you confirm please with the lights?
Walking
With the
down the
lights on,
steps,
you're
yeah.
touching his head.
Two ladies.
He's laughing, he's not funny. You hear him laughing? You think it's funny, don't you? Can you go and light the lights go over there for me?
Yeah, just a bit like.
Yeah,
Thank
just
you.
there. I feel like something's touching the top of my head.
Yeah, he is. Oh, your hair's moving, cool. Did you see him like
just
him,
like really soft.
Yeah, as soon as I walk out the room, it goes.
Yeah, he's standing behind you on your head.
She's running on top. I
If
can
you
feel
want him
that.
off,
You're
yeah.
running along
I
the
feel
top
that.
or
Yeah. You
submerged.
want him off, you tell him to step back from you.
You're not on
Leave
top.
me alone now, please, about my energy is what you need to tell him. Okay,
Destroy.
step back out with his energy,
You're
please,
hiding from the
please.
destroyers.
I'm down deep.
Yeah.
You're down to it, okay. So they
Come
can't
into the
see
circle for us again.
Oh,
Thank you, Gerard.
What?
bright blue, blue.
Light them lights right up.
Right, blue,
You're going to leave me alone.
Brightest
Just stay away
brightest
from
blue.
me.
I'll keep him in here. Can you go up to the lights over the other side of the circle again for us, Gerard? Thank you so much.
Still there.
Can you do the lights for us again? Light them up, just touch it, remember?
Dropping death
Move the
charges
cone.
on her.
Make a noise with it.
Dropping death charges.
Thank you so much. Did you get that?
Yeah, I've got that.
Thank you, Gerard, for that. Can you light them up and keep them on?
She's safe.
Yeah, because she's so far down there. Won't get
Light them up and keep them on for us.
far down.
These two people looking at Julie. Get off my nose! Sorry. Gerald, go back to the toys on the floor. The dog's in the other building.
No, I thought that.
The dog in the other... Can you light that one up for me?
They're really going.
Not, he's gone to the other one. Look at it, look at it. It's going crazy.
Yeah,
Darling.
I reckon yours is busted.
Really dark.
No, it's coil, isn't it? It's different. It
Look
picks
at
up
it.
different.
And light this one up for me. Leave that one now. We won't leave that one alone. Jared.
You see the light?
But it might be trying to produce enough power to do that. Energy.
Oh, is it a different energy you need?
Yeah, it's a coil. It needs.
Oh. Okay, thank you so much. Whenever I asked him if we could keep them on, and he is doing. Thank you so much. Come towards me. There's a machine in front of me with a red light.
Thank you.
Can you put that one on for me? It's a little bit harder than the other one. You're going to have to try really hard for me. Can you come forward and turn this one on now? No, not that one. This one, not that one. This one. Come towards me. What was that?
That was me.
Oh.
Feedback from
Oh. Come towards us. Come towards me. See if we can light this other machine up. You're doing so well with that one. Thank you so much. Well done. Can you come forward and do the one in front of me, please? It's slightly different to use. Come and light this one up for me. Yes, it will. Try harder. Try really hard. It's touching it. It's not doing anything. You're going to have to put more into it. So you've got to try harder. Keep trying. I'll give you what I've got. Okay. So you can come closer and light this one up for me. That's weird. I can see him touching it. I ain't doing nothing. You're going to have to really try harder.
He needs to touch that bit on the end of
On the floor, yeah, over there. That's what he's doing. The bit near the candle, on the end of the wire. Can you grab it for me? If you're going to talk louder, let everybody hear. Gosh. How much more energy do you need, Gemma?
Looks like it's going backwards and forwards. What? That black thing.
It looks like it moves, doesn't it?
Mm.
Yeah. He's touching it and poking it. Yeah, you see it moves then. He's touching it and poking it, but it's not lighting up. I don't understand. Try and pick that bit up for us and grab hold of it really tight. Because you can do the other lights really well. You want to see if you can... Want to sit down?
That's fine.
You want to see if you can do this one as well for us, please? We'll be so grateful. Come in love and light, my love. I can't believe that it's actually touching it and doing it. I can't give you much more energy, but... Keep trying. You're trying so hard. Well done. You've got to get the light up. Yeah, don't lit up, is it? No, that red light's not lighting it up. Tell us it's on. That's really strange. You're going to try it. Go on then, you try it. Come a bit closer and try really hard. See if two of you can turn it on. Two of you touch the end. Not that end, the other end. I know. You like that one? Look at it staying on. Thank you. Yeah, now can you come this side of the cone and do the same with this light? Come this side and do the same with this light for us. No. Dear. From this side of me, like this one, like squeaky.
No, like a little squeak, like
A high-pitched noise.
Yeah, it's like
I heard that.
really high pitch.
You.
You what?
Toes are on mum.
Okay.
Sorry, everybody's body.
I'm desperate to get this one, and they're doing that one fine. I just can't. They've touched it. They've even moved the end, but I can't get them to do it like that.
Did you hear a squeak?
Yeah,
Metal
I
on
heard that.
metal.
Yeah.
Like metal
I-
scraping on metal.
I heard that twice.
Yeah.
It done it earlier on.
Yeah.
It's like a metal on metal.
Yeah, I thought that was one of you.
I know. They like that one. Look at it staying on. Thank you. Yeah. Now can you come this side of the cone and do the same with this light? Come this side and do the same. Yeah. Now can you come this side of the cone and do the same with this light? Come this side and do the same with this light for us. No. Dear. From this side of me, like this one, like squeaky.
No, like a little squeak, like
A high-pitched noise.
Yeah, it's like
I heard that.
really high pitch.
You.
You what?
Toes are on mum.
Okay.
Sorry, everybody's body.
I'm desperate to get this one, and they're doing that one fine. I just can't. They've touched it. They've even moved the end, but I can't get them to do it like that.
Did you hear a squeak?
Yeah,
Metal
I
on
heard that.
metal.
Yeah.
Like metal
I-
scraping on metal.
I heard that twice.
Yeah.
It done it earlier on.
Yeah.
It's like a metal on metal.
Yeah, I thought that was one of you lot.
No.
That wasn't
No.
one of you lot.
No, no,
Oh,
no.
right, okay, that's...
That's tagged as paranormal. Yeah. We can't get into like this one else.
It's like a feedback, wasn't it?
Look, very funny. No. You can see the other one.
What's that then?
Not that. Oh, you're going mate. Sorry. Don't lean on me. Your feet going funny. Mine are. Your feet go funny.
Yeah.
My feet are numb.
Yeah.
Toes are numb.
I'm going to stop for a minute.
Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you, blessed be, for coming into our circle. We live in another life. Thank you for coming to talk with us today, blessed be. Oh. Thank you. Come and talk to me. You might be able to hear him talking to me.
For 81, no, 8681.
Is it supposed to be a boat?
That's 27949.
I'd assume it'd be something that's in the museum, because that's where we would get it.
Well, it might not be. That's 27.
It's a gun. It'll be on.
What was that?
That was
Oh,
Matt.
you yawned.
Yours, yeah.
Well, something strange.
This was going off. Wasn't it?
Yeah, outside by the
Just as we went over the grass.
Yeah, Richard was saying.
It was going off.
But it had dead spots. Like I could turn a few inches and it'd go off. Then go back and it'd be like maxing it out.
Where's Mary then?
Oh, they've gone over to have a cup of coffee, I think, warm up a bit.
Let's go over the guns in there. There's guns in here. Yes, I'm looking, lady.
What number are we looking for?
8681.
8681. Don't.
What?
Is that going off again?
Yeah, no, that's where you're in it. No. What are you going to say?
So maybe they're not in that particular order, but they're their numbers.
No, a few times.
That's fine. That's what's good about them little hard drives, you can leave them all over the place.
Feels dead. Doesn't feel like there's anything.
I don't know, we got noisies. Oh, what was that? Have you watched the film from...
Every time. You right? Looks like a ray gun.
There's power underneath here. But whereabouts is it over here?
Yeah, it's just as you step over there. Yeah.
Yeah. Go over here. Oh. Yeah, it's power underneath there. Yeah.
Debunk. So cold, it's like numb through my gloves.
Oh, sorry. Mate. Someone just open the door. Someone just open the door.
When it's right next to you, you didn't notice.
Someone just open the door. Someone just open the door.
When it's right next to you, you didn't notice.
What?
No one's been.
It's what?
Did someone open the door then?
No.
The squeaky door?
No.
Well, that was weird. I was sitting there and it's like a door's open and someone walking like this.
Oh, God.
door. That went just now. Which you can hear that chain go. And that. And I was the only one in here. And I was sitting right over there. And someone walked towards me.